Hi, my name is Karen and I'm going to show you how to make a wonderful, quick, simple little holiday activity for your kids to do, or you could do it yourself. Now this is a spider. You can mount it on paper and he can become a wall decoration, or you could cut the sticks off so that they're shorter and you could put it on a trick-or-treat bag. So it gives you a couple of different options for what you want to do. This is going to be for older children, but I would say from at least about 8 up, just because it's a little hard when you're doing this part. And I'll show you how you make them now. Here's the wall piece that we're going to be working on for Halloween, and these are nice because they take up a lot of space, they fill up your wall, and they make it look very festive. They're rather simple to make. You may need to, with a younger child, sort of help them when they're putting the netting on, but I will show you how you're going to make this. The first thing you're going to need is a circle just like this, because this is what goes on the back. You need a circle. Then I paint it black just because if you see through, you're going to see to the black and not the white. Once you have your circle, you're going to take and use some of these straws, paper straws. You can use any type that you want. I like these straws because they're cheap. They're $1 from the Dollar Tree. You can tell that I buy a lot of craft supplies at the Dollar Tree because they're so much cheaper. And they have a nice sort of glossy orange on them. You're going to take and you're going to arrange your straws on your piece. It's easier if you kind of work around. And go across from each one because you'll have it more symmetrical. And you can decide how many straws you want. You might even want to, though I didn't do it on that one, you might even take and cut some of your straws in half so that you have some that are going to be shorter. And while we let this dry, I will now show you how you're going to do your netting. You can get these rolls, again, this is from the Dollar Tree. You can get these rolls of netting at any hobby store. You're going to want to take and cut, and I notice this is not exactly straight, so you want to make sure that you have it straight. And then you're going to cut a piece that's probably, oh, I would say about this big. So you have a piece that's about this big, and then you're going to fold it over, and you're going to start at the edge, and you're going to gather it together. This is the part that if you're working with a younger kid, you might want to do the gathering and then let them put the pipe cleaner on. Gather the edges. As you can tell, this is a nice way to get a beautiful bow yourself. Then you take your pipe cleaner You take it around. And you twist it off. I leave the long pieces because I curled those for the spider. Then what I always do is I cut this edge here so that it's nice and smooth and leave it like this. And then you have a perfect bow. And you make these so that you can put them all the way around. And then you glue these on. And when you get these glued on, as you can see, you get these glued on, you can find any type of crazy spider. Again, these are $1 for 2, so you can do 2 decorations for the price of $1 at the Dollar Tree and put the spider on. Then what I did is I took the pieces from this that were out, curled them around, and had them come out because it looks more spidery. And you have a very simple, very quickly done, and a nice decoration for Halloween. Thank you for watching. I hope you have fun making these decorations for Halloween.